The ABN AMRO Bank is the third largest bank within the Netherlands. 22,000 employees, internal employees, headquartered in Amsterdam. We are an agile organization and we have more than 300 agile teams. Now, we used to be a waterfall organization. That was about 4 or 5 years ago. And at that point of time, we did do big releases, not frequent, and it took a long time to start the projects, to define requirements, to do solution design. And we calculated once how long would it take to design and build an Hello World application. And if we would follow all the processes within the bank, it would take 5 to 6 months at least. And before the project plan was started, we already lost 2 to 3 months. What we also saw in the meantime, that our competitors, they started delivering faster. All kinds of fintechs were popping up, and also fintechs which did do banking business, so to say. So what we saw is that we were slow, our competitors are getting faster and faster. What we said is that we need to do we need to start a CI/CD initiative in order to deliver software faster to our clients. And we had a Make It Happen program because our belief is that CI/CD DevOps is not only about tooling, but it's more about a change way of working, a change culture, a change mindset. Now these teams, I think were 4 or 5 teams, they realized big benefits in a short time. We showed the benefits towards senior management. We showed them how long things would take before the CI/CD and what are the benefits after the CI/CD. And based upon that, the management decided we need to do this for the whole organization. We grew from 2,000 users to 10,000 users in 2 years' time. We don't use the open source version because these pipelines they are so crucial for delivering software that we as a bank believe that if we have issues or if we need support, that we need to buy that support. So therefore we have for all tools in the CI/CD pipeline we have supported versions. We have 8 masters, we have a bench of slaves, we have 250 executors, 16,000 jobs. We have more than 200 agile teams using Jenkins. What did we do? We started small. The first one is automate all repetitive tasks which can be automated. Testing, building, deployments, monitoring, onboarding of all kind of process. Everything what can be automated must be automated. What you also say, integrate quickly and often. So what you saw in the past is that developers they were developing software, they did it locally, they developed locally for months sometimes, and they integrated at a late stage, and because of that all kind of errors were found at a late stage. What we say now, you should be committing your code more times per day, and at least 1 time per day you should be integrating your code. We have improved our test environment availability. Our software quality has been improved. Our security has been improved. Internet banking, for example, they deployed releases 4 or 5 years ago 4 times per year. Now they have a release every 2 weeks. Once changes are available in a test environment, we can directly deploy them to production. Was not possible a few years ago. The velocity of that team had doubled. Code review times have been shortened. And based on this, you see reduction in testing time, package creation time has been halved, the amount of successful builds have been increased by 20%.